Hey everybody, this is Melissa with Oxmoor Auto Group, and today I'm out here at Oxmoor Mazda with Gerardo. He's going to be showing us some of the features on this 2021 Mazda MX-5 Miata. So what do you have for us today?
All right, so perfect. This one will be the 2021 Grand Touring MX-5 Miata, like she said. It'll have the LED lighting with the adjusted lighting system. So when you're making a turn, it will actually turn the lights like a 15-degree to kind of give you more lighting on the perspective that you're actually driving towards to on that scenario. One cool thing about this that I want to show you, because this one's a new color and new top that they came out with. On this one, you'll have the Bose speakers, the full leather, and the backup camera for the 21s. So the top, it releases from right here, and then it's easy pull up. And kind of just a lock system to kind of lock it down, and that'll be it for it. Other accessories or features that you're getting will be the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated seats option, and then obviously, of course, this one's a manual system. All right, awesome. So another thing about it that I want to show you, this one will have the spoiler. Cool thing, since it does have the keyless entry, you have a button right down underneath of here that will release the trunk to kind of be able to open it as long as the key is in your pocket, purse, and everything like that. This one comes equipped with the all weather mats. Let me remove this so y'all can see some of the storage on there. Even with the top down or up, you're not losing none of that storage, so you'll have plenty of room for as small as it is. So,
Gotcha.
and that'll be it for the MX-5 in this presentation.
All right, well thank you so much, Gerardo. And like he said, if you guys have any questions or want to stop out and take a look at this Miata, all of the contact information for Oxmoor Mazda is going to be right on this page. Thanks so much.